Camping is supposed to be fun, but waking up freezing in your tent or RV makes you want to pack up and go home. I got tired of shivering, so I bought the top 5 diesel heaters on the market. I tested them for heat output, noise, and how hard they are to set up, so you don't have to waste your money on a dud. Product number 1: vevor 8kW Diesel Air Heater Install Kit. I started with the vevor 8kW kit. Just so you know, this isn't a portable box, it's meant for a permanent install. When I handled the aluminum body, it felt solid, sandblasted, and rugged. The heat output is serious. Once I got it rigged up, it cranked out heat fast. The plateau mode is a cool feature. I simulated high altitude, and the sensor actually adjusted the fuel mix so it didn't soot up. It's quiet enough once it's running, thanks to the muffler, though the pump still has that signature ticking sound. The remote control works from about 50 meters away, which is handy. If you're building out a van or have a dedicated spot in a truck and want a permanent solution that handles high elevations, this is the reliable workhorse you want. Product number 2: vevor 8kW All-in-One. Then I grabbed the vevor All-in-One unit. This was way easier, no installation, just add fuel and power. My favorite part was controlling it with my phone. I downloaded the app, and being able to preheat the heater from my tent without getting out of my sleeping bag was amazing. It claims to work up to 18,000 feet, which is insane. I didn't go that high, but at 5,000 feet it ran smooth without coughing. It burns about a gallon a night, which is efficient. The aluminum heat exchanger warms up in about 10 minutes. If you want a portable heater that handles extreme altitudes and lets you stay lazy with Bluetooth control, this is the one to beat. Product number 3: 9L Diesel Heater. Next, I tested this orange beast with a massive 9-liter tank. Most others have 5 liters, so when I filled this up, I realized I could run it for a full 24 hours without refueling. That's a huge benefit if you hate waking up at 3 a.m. to add diesel. It's super versatile. It came with a 110V adapter right in the box, so I plugged it into my garage wall outlet easily without needing a separate battery setup. The fuel cap has a rubber seal that actually works. I tipped it and it didn't leak. The LCD screen is clear, though switching modes takes a long press. If you need a heater for a shop or long camping trips where runtime is king, this is the endurance champion. Product number 4: Bauge RV 5kW Diesel Heater. Switching gears to the Bauge RV. This is a 5kW unit, which I found is actually better for smaller spaces like tents or vans because it doesn't cycle on and off as much as the big 8kW ones. The build quality feels premium. I noticed the exhaust pipe threads on securely rather than just using clamps, which feels way safer. It's definitely quieter than the others, thanks to the mute filter oil pump. The app control here is smooth, too. It warms up a standard tent in about 8 minutes. It's compact and the handle folds down nicely for packing. If you have a smaller space and prioritize quiet operation over raw, overpowering heat, the Bauge RV is the most refined option I tested. Product number 5: LF Bros 5kW Diesel Heater. Finally, I checked out the LF Bros heater. This one is arguably the most beginner-friendly. It came in really nice packaging with foam protection, so nothing was dented. Like the 9L one, this includes a 110V transformer, making it plug-and-play for your house or garage. The gas cap uses an internal thread like a car, so I drove around with it full and didn't spill a drop. The instructions were actually readable, and the QR code video helper was a nice touch if you get stuck. It puts out plenty of heat for a camper or garage. If you've never used a diesel heater before and want something that just works right out of the box with zero headaches, this is your safest bet. So whether you need the massive runtime of the 9-liter tank or the high-tech app control of the vevor, one of these will keep you toasty. I've dropped links to all 5 units in the description so you can check the current prices. Thanks for watching and stay warm out there.